here on the left, the AI creator is going to be Chatty, our chameleon, and you're going to be able to create an activity just with a prompt. So when Speakable is here, you can import a file just like we did, and Speakable is going to use it to create activities, or you can create it only for the prompt. So for example, Chatty, I need an activity containing all card types, meaning that it's going to include repeat, respond, and multiple choice about animals in their habitat for Spanish learners. I'm going to say, you know what, for beginner Spanish learners, and you can add, let's just leave it like this. Yeah. So Chatty is going to think about it and is going to give us an idea of what she has in mind for this. If the prompt was not super clear, Chatty is going to ask some follow-up questions. Like, for example, if I didn't specify the level, what level my students are, what type of context is provided, any specific vocabulary or information that I want the activity to test, the system will do it. However, since my prompt was already containing all of that, containing the topic, containing the level, and containing, like, say, the specifics of what cards I want to add, then it already gave me a rundown of what it's going to do. So the objectives are these. These are the follow-up questions. So do you have any specific animals or habitats in mind, or should I choose common ones? So you may decide if you're already, for example, I don't know, teaching them a specific set of animals native to a specific place. You can add them here, but I'm just going to let Chatty choose common ones. Any regional focus, for example, this is a good idea. Spanish-speaking countries. That is a very interesting idea. So I'm going to confirm those details. One, choose the animals and habitats you prefer. And the second one is going to be choose habitats habitats common in Spanish speaking countries. Yes, and once everything is confirmed, I will we'll tell Chatty to create all the activity. See, confirmed. And now Chatty is going to create the activity for us. I can change this on the fly. So for example, I can use Chatty to create like the basis of an exercise, of an activity, and then go back to it and edit it, remove slides, add some more. You can do that at any point in time. So you can hop back and forth between the content and AI creator. So take a look at these. These are the specific cards that Chatty suggested. So as you can see, because I was specific about animals in their habitats, the repeat cards are not just the names of the animals, as I did here, but full sentences. So you know what? I can see like a little summary of this, and you know what? I like them all. I like them all, so I'm going to add all cards. Yes, and now if I scroll here, all of the newly added cards are going to be here. Yes. Now I can always change them. So for example, this one about the El Pájaro that I created before, I probably don't need anymore, so I'm just going to delete it here. Yes, it's going to have a pop-up saying if you want to delete this, hit OK, and it's OK. Yeah. However, I can still rearrange them, erase them, create some more, whatever. So this is a repeat card. Let's take a look at the respond cards that the system created for us. Donde vive el león, we can test them out. Yeah, so we can say something like, El león vive en las sabanas de África. Let's see if the answer is correct. You can always test out these things that were automatically created, and they will work just fine. Like, this is a very, very cool system to add.